currently day one, and I need to build the blueprint that I'll be following to actually build the bike, right? So I had the idea to just build one on my own. So like, wait, now if you actually look, it's not too bad, right? It's like it gives the outline and of basically what we need to build, right? So it's fine, man. I think personally that it looks pretty good. Now basically what I have to do is cut this into shape so I can hold on to this part. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Pipes I'm using are a bit too thin, and realistically all that was gonna happen was, so yeah, I decided to use this piece to hold the frame together because it was strong and it was used on a bike before, so it would work. So now I'm going to weld this piece right here, and then maybe add another one there.